Good morning, students. We have a vast and varied cultural heritage. All citizens of our country are free to practice any religion of their choice. There is always a need, indeed, to be united for the much needed harmony and happiness. Our today's topic is our festivals. And learning outcomes are learner will become aware about the meaning of festival, importance of national, religious and harvesting festivals. Festival means fun, celebration and happiness. Our festivals create the feeling of unity in diversity. Being together and having enjoyment is the essence of all our festivals. There are three types of festivals in our country: national festivals, religious festivals, and harvesting festivals. Today, we are going to discuss only religious and harvest festivals. India is a country of many religions. People of different religions celebrate different festivals. Religious festival Diwali. It is the main festival of Hindus. People exchange sweets and gifts among friends and relatives. People light up earthen lamps and candles. It is the festival of lights. It marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after an exile of 14 years. Eid. It is an important festival of Muslims. It is celebrated at the end of Ramjan, a Muslim month of fasting. People offer their prayers, namaz. Sevaiyan are made, eaten, and offered to guests. Christmas. It is a festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th of December every year to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate Christmas trees. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring gifts to them. Guru Parab. It is a celebration of birth of Guru Nanak Dev, first Sikh Guru. Sikhs offer prayers in Gurudwaras and participate in langar to eat special food. I want to know how much you have learned till now. Out of three options, you have to pick out the correct answer. Diwali is celebrated on Kartik Amavasya, Kartik Purnima, none of these.
Kartik Amavasya.
Good. Dashera festival is celebrated as victory of Rama over Ravana, mark the victory of good over evil, or both.
Both.
Right answer. Special dish cooked for Eid is prasad, sevaiya, none of these.
Sevaiya.
Good answer. Holi is a festival of colors, lights, none of these.
Colors.
Correct. Christmas is celebrated to mark the birthday of Sikh Guru, birthday of Jesus Christ, none of these.
Birthday of Jesus Christ.
Right answer. Festival is the time of sadness, seriousness, happiness.
Happiness.
Very good. On Christmas, children believe that Santa Claus will bring gifts, people will play with colors, none of these.
Santa Claus will bring gifts.
Big applause. There are many festivals in our country to mark a good harvest. These are called harvest festivals. Lohri. It is mainly celebrated in Punjab and Haryana in the month of January. Bihu. It is celebrated in Assam at different times of the year. Bonfire, grand feast, and colorful Bihu dance are the main attractions of this celebration. Onam. It is an important festival of Kerala. Decoration of elephants and snake boat racing is important part of this festival. Pongal. It is a harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. A special dish called Pongal rice is made from new harvest of rice. Now listen carefully and pick out the correct option. Diwali is a festival of colors, lights, harvest.
Lights.
Good. Snake boat races are held on Bihu, Onam, Pongal.
Onam.
Right answer. Langar is served on the day of Eid, Diwali, Guru Parab.
Guru Parab.
Very nice. Christmas is celebrated by Hindus, Muslims, Christians.
Christians.
Very good. Onam is a festival of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam.
Kerala.
Great. Bihu is a festival of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam.
Assam.
Right answer. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam.
Tamil Nadu.
All are correct. Students, now it's your turn to tell the names of festivals by seeing the pictures.
Diwali. Guru Parab.
Very good.
Christmas. Eid.
Shabash.
Bihu.
Very good.
Lohri.
Correct answer.
Onam. Onam.
Good.
Pongal.
Very nice. After the end of this lesson, discuss with your friends and parents. How will you feel if there are no festivals? Dear children, always remain in a festive mood. Thank you and have a nice day.